Hi, this is Sam, and we're on home from vacation. And I'm taking a video of this steam locomotive. Here, I'll show you the front to tell you if it's a real steam engine. See, there's the cow catcher, and there's the couple. It's the couple's when it has a shot. To push the snow. I know. And this is the part when trains bash into here, they couple up, and so they didn't have to be between. So people didn't have to be between the train. Here's my favorite part. With these things connected to the wheels, that's my favorite part. And there's the cab. This is really high wheels. And there you can step on that to get to the cab. I was so excited when I saw this. It's a beauty. Makes me think of Thomas.
That's an old train, isn't it?
Yeah, it's old. Then they made it so it doesn't. And they made it new and all shiny and
dirty. Look how dirty it is.
No, it's not that dirty.
And look all those rocks in there.
That's gravel. All that big rocks are gravel.
How did they put this train here? Maybe a crane. What's a crane?
Yeah, a crane. A strong crane.
Well, where's the crane?
The crane's not here anymore.
Who took it down? Nobody can take it down because it's heavy.
No, it's a crane. It's some kind of crane that you can. I don't know. It's a good question, Somo. It's cool.